and he actually earns estimated between $14,000 and $67,000 per month. Alright, let's be honest, an important factor for some people to start making YouTube videos is earning money with them. And some people might think, alright, I'm going to upload some videos on YouTube and I'm going to start making thousands of dollars every single month and I won't have to go to work anymore. That's not true. No. So I was reading the Reddit subforum r/tech and came across how much do YouTubers make YouTube money calculator. They say it's a spam, but hey, it might be fun to check out how much they actually make. If you want to make a career out of YouTube, a lot of people want to make a career out of YouTube. Don't get me wrong, you're not the only one if you're watching this. Like, I think around 1% of the people that make YouTube videos can make a career out of it. Like, can actually earn a lot of money from it and do it as a daily job. So that's not a lot if you know that there are millions of accounts on YouTube. So if you go to that site, you get PewDiePie, who has 91 million subscribers, almost 92 million as of right now. So that's a lot. That's way more than my 300 and whatnot. And he earns $312,334 every month. I'm going to be honest, I've never had that amount of money in my life on my bank account. So now you know how much I own. Not 312,000, but he earns that in a month. They say it's going to be approximately, it will vary around some thousands of dollars, I think, but I think we can go around that number for his monthly earnings. And then he also has affiliate marketing, which is branding, which is sponsors, which is, for example, affiliate links when he tests out products. So he earns a lot of money. You also get a top 100. You have T-Series, of course, on 1 right now because they've passed PewDiePie. Then PewDiePie himself, 5 Minutes Craft, which is actually on the top. Wow, I didn't know that. And then you have Justin Bieber over here. Justin Bieber Vivo over here. So imagine being Justin Bieber. You get a lot of money from your tours, from your singles, from your albums. And then you also put up a YouTube channel with some cool videos and you earn 3 to 17K per month. Yeah. Now I want to know, Will Smith also has a YouTube channel. I want to know how much he earns because he is a pretty famous actor, of course. He earns a lot of money from acting, and then he also has a YouTube channel which makes him a maximum of $18,000 per month. He can just live from making YouTube videos. That's crazy. If you're already famous and you want to make some extra money, just make some vlogs, make some videos on YouTube, and you'll earn that extra spare cash to go and eat something. Like for 18K, you can go and grab some KFC. I think a lot of KFC. Now I want to know MKBHD, how much he earns. Marcus Brownlee. So he has 8.23 million subscribers. And he actually earns estimated between $14,000 and $67,000 per month. That's a lot of money. That's like a lot of, I wouldn't say I have that amount of money on my bank account, but I've been saving a lot of money the last couple of years, and he's earning that in 1 month. Of course, it might not be exact. If you're watching this, Marcus, put in the comments what you earn. You won't do that. It's an indication and it's a lot of money. But of course, if you also know that he has 1.24 billion views and he's in the top 1% of amount of views, then you know he's earned the earnings. Another channel is Unbox Therapy, of course, with 13 million subscribers, who earns a staggering 27 or 129, between 27 and $129,000 each month. Whoa! Imagine what you can buy with that 1 month. Like even if it's only 27, only 27K per month. I can't live with that. That's not enough money for me. And then Mr. Who's the Boss, who commented on one of my videos last year, I think, already has 2.9 1.09 million subscribers. That's actually pretty crazy. That's Arun, I think his name is, earns between 5 and 26k. Even if it's only 5k, that's still a lot of money for making YouTube videos. Yeah, there goes a lot of work in making YouTube videos. Believe me, there goes a lot of work in them. Let's see how much I earn. So it looks like I've earned $65 with affiliate. Where is that $65? I don't know. Is someone earning money out of me? I don't think so. I do have 150,000 views, which is pretty impressive. I've made 98 videos, 100% matching rate, and I don't earn any money from YouTube. So I can say that this site is completely correct. My estimated monthly earnings are 0. And I wouldn't say I don't care about that, because you put your time into making content for YouTube, and this is brutally honest. If I'm brutally honest, you make your time, you put your time into making, I think, good videos, or at least the best you can, and you don't get anything for it. It's truly heartwarming. That's maybe a bit overreacting, but it's a bit heartwarming that I get interaction from my videos. That's actually very nice. I have 354 subscribers as of right now, and some people tend to watch my videos or even comment or like them, and that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool to see that more than 350 people subscribe to my channel because they want to stay updated on what I produce. And as of right now, for me, that's worth more than getting thousands of dollars from YouTube. Of course, if I would get thousands of dollars on YouTube, yeah, that would be pretty cool, pretty sweet, that I could earn money from YouTube, but that's of course not the case. So I need to get my recognition from comments or from views, which is of course great. Right, so I hope you learned something from what people on YouTube actually own. Of course, they have to do a lot for it. They have to put daily work in it. They have to stick with a lot of criticism as well, dislikes, people who hate on their content, and that's like, for example, PewDiePie. He's a lot in the news. Like for example, the New Zealand shooter, he actually said subscribe to PewDiePie before he started shooting. So that's pretty crazy. That someone on the internet can actually do something like that, or not do it. He didn't do it, but can create an environment where people who do like real stuff, like dub stuff, use his name in that. And once you get to that level, you are big. Very big. And that's from making YouTube videos. So for the few people who don't take YouTube seriously as a job, well, think again, because it's a real job, and people are earning big bucks from it. I'm not earning anything, but hey, who knows? If I earn something, you'll get a piece of it. Right, that was enough chit chat for today. I'll see you in the next one.